Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Yeah, sorry to post late, but I don't have choice because I was busy. So, guys, I'm going to do a quick one on UK Fortnite. As you can see, guys, we did very well on lunchtime with our banker 34 and 3-4, which was 3 numbers proper. So I'm happy. Okay, cool. So now let's do tea time. After tea time, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna post Mega Million today. I don't know, should I post Mega Million or should I post Powerball? Which one is which? But Mega Million pays so much, so it will depend on. But Powerball also pays, eh? But let us do Powerball instead of Mega Million, because Mega Million, some people they don't know actually where to find Mega Million, but it is easy. You have to just check. It's written US Mega Million 570. It's got 5 numbers out of 70. Okay, without wasting any time, let me just go straight to the business. So what I'm going to do, guys, today is complicated, but it's not. We're going to use these numbers: 38 plus 39 plus our formula 55. So let's go. I think this will give us an accurate answer, which is 132. So our first code is 132. Can you see that? So this code, it worked last night. It made wonders. It's still gonna work today and make wonders. So meaning our banker is 32 or 23, which is like 32 or 23. Either way, they can try to split and say 2 over 3. That one is a fraction now instead of a decimal. So now we're going to say 2 3 as like a split 2 3. Understand? Or they can say 20 30. These guys are very clever. They can put a 0 here and then they make 20 30 instead of 32. Or you can say this guy, because if the code says 132, you can say 32 or 23. Do you know that these guys, they study this, they know exactly what they are doing, as I always tell you guys. So let's focus on this first code. The second code is 134. So meaning let me say this: our codes is 134, it's 132. So when you check there on this number, you can actually see that there is a common number, which is 13 or 31. Why? Because it did not drop yesterday. 132, 32 dropped. So now we're going to expect a 32 or a 23. Then when we say 1 plus 32, it gives us a 33, which is also gonna drop. If you subtract, it gives us a 31. So which means a 31 32 or 31 23, maybe either way, or 1331. You know, I don't know who's presenting, but I've got that gut of like, this guy can hit that number. And then there's on top there's 134. 34 already exhausted, so we're going to focus on the neighbors of those numbers. For example, you will say 1 plus 34, which we're going to get 35. 1 plus 34, 1 minus that, it gives us a 33. So it's actually accurate. And then another thing that you guys must master is you add everything inside. 1 plus, let me just remove this. I hate this app for the colors because it's so colorful. I'm going to say 1 plus 3 plus 2, it will give me a 6. So a 6 dropped. I'm going to somerset that number and make it a 9. So we can as well expect a 9 to drop as 9 23 31 or 9 32 33, something like that. And then on our bonuses, guys, I'm going to put these called numbers: 37, 44, and what else did I have to put? The 30. Or 30 dropped, so we covered. We do not want to see 30. We are fine with 30, and 44 also dropped. So I'm going to cancel these two. Instead of that, we're going to put it 24, because they've already played that number. And 18. These are the bonuses I'm thinking, and then in 8. So let me say you're going to say 1 2 3 4 bonuses. Maybe you've got 40 rand. You can play each with 10 rand, and then what you're going to get is 500 rand, if I'm not mistaken, or more than that, depending on the bets. Okay, so let's also do this one, because now we're going to say 1 plus 42 plus 1, we get a 43, which can also bonus. But then now we're going to say times 87. Can we go to the calculator, guys? Because I'm not sure if it's going to give us an accurate answer. If I can just, so I'm going to say 43 times 87, it gives me 3741. So meaning our bonus is the range from 37 to 41. So it's 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. these are the bonuses that you have to play today, because the code says to me 3741, and then the banker codes is 132, 134. So I think we are we are at the edge of the video now. We're at the edge of the video, of which you know what I'm thinking. As you can see, these codes, if you draw, you see there's a 33. If you draw, there's a 24. Then you see an 11 there. That's another way of breaking this code. I never noticed that, but I can see that it may maybe give us something also. Yeah, so guys, this is a short video. I'm going to drop another one for Powerball and Mega Million. I don't have a choice. You guys have to play those kind of draws as well. So guys, this is what it is. As I told you, still Black Friday, 50% discount on the books. You will see there's a link for WhatsApp there, and then you just press that link, and then it will direct you exactly where you can purchase your book. The book is in PDF form, which is an ebook. You can get it wherever you are. You can always get the book. So yeah guys, this is what it is. Time. Thank you very much. Banker, I already gave you guys and the bonuses, so let's move.